Hello, this is Mark from AlwaysSold123 video walk around for this gorgeous 2010 low mileage hybrid Lexus RX 450. Beautiful candy red color, nice tires, Michelin tires all around, Florida car, lots of space in the trunk, 90,000 miles, black interior, navigation, bottom line, nice car. Two-wheel drive, not all-wheel drive, guys. This is not all-wheel drive. All right, you got nice dashboard, cold air conditioner, navigation, also has a sunroof. You got 91,483 with miles, which is very low. You got cooling seats, heated seats, all the buttons to play right here. Nice radio from Lexus as usual. You got steering wheel is good, not worn, buttons are good. Driver's seat, look at that, driver's seat for the Lexus, guys. It's okay, because keep in mind it's 15 years old, guys, and it's cheap because it's sold by AlwaysSold123. Little commercial. Okay, so we got sunroof. Let's see how it works. Okay, sunroof, beautiful. Let's close the sunroof. We got doors, windows, all windows, guys, all windows work. AC is cold, of course. You got power mirrors, seat controls here, seat controls here, memory seats, trunk. Oh, this is gas, that's a gas button. And let's go up. It opened up, you see, guys, look, no rust. We're gonna go under the car right now. Let's try to open this. Okay, so you open up like this. This is the space, trunk space, no cargo cover. Let's see what's here. Your spare is right here. Okay, it looks like nobody ever touched it. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, this works, very good. So you pick it up and then you press the button and it comes down. You got tires, beautiful tires. Here's your bottom of the car. Take a look. Gorgeous bottom of the car. I don't see anything wrong with it. Let's go to the back seat. Smells good, non-smoker. I don't see any dog hair or anything like that. Even if it was, I don't smell anything here. Okay, no cigarette smell. Headliner is nice. All right, take a look. Very good truck for a hybrid. Okay, so the brake pads over there more than 50%. I can see it from where I see it. Here it looks like, let me see, it looks like they are also more than even 3%. They look like new because even those pins look very fresh. Okay, so you got engine, of course, very quiet right here. Okay, take a look, guys. Friendly disclosure: everything that AlwaysSold123 sells and I represent is sold as is, guys. Regardless of any statements, is sold as is. This vehicle is over 10 years old. Keep that in mind. Price does not include taxes, dealer fees, and registration. Okay, taxes, dealer fees, and registration. Here's your tire. Here's your bottom. Mirrors are good, not cracked here. Door panel is good. All right, you got nothing here. Yeah, nothing here. All right, that's your the seat works. Take a look. All right, guys, sold by AlwaysSold123. I think we're good with this. I think we're good. Take a look. All right, we'll go inside again. Quick. 2010 RX 450, under 100,000 miles, sold by AlwaysSold123. Okay. Put this thing here. We got nice cup holders here. Here we're gonna close the windows. Okay. Be sure that guys, we get these cars, we inspect these cars, make sure the round drive AC works always. Okay, if anything abnormal that I usually see, I say it in the video. So like I always believe that for each car there is a customer. Okay, for each car there is always a customer, regardless of anything. If one might like it, another person might not like it, so we can make everybody happy, but we try by being honest. All right, that's the key, guys. You guys over there do sales, just think about it. Just think about it. Anybody who's in sales. All right, let's go drive back, take a look again. I'm gonna drive it. I don't know, in the video you see if it blinks or not, because it doesn't blink, but in the when you put camera against any monitors, it flickers. In the video it flickers, but in the real life it's not flickering. You see? Oh, sorry. Okay guys, thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us directly. AlwaysSold123.com. God bless and bye bye.